Welcome to the Home Learning Record tutorial from Professor Assessor. On the Teacher dashboard, click the Home Learning Record button from within the Home Learning section. This opens the Home Learning Class Record page. This page displays the number of home learning activities set for all pupils, in the selected class, and, for either a specific term or the whole academic year. To change the selection, simply click the Show Search Options button. If you teach in several classes, select the required class. You can also select the term, or all year. Selecting All Year will display all home learning activities set in the current academic year. Click the Search button to load the new data. The table displays the quantity of home learning activities that have been set for each pupil. It also shows how many of the home learning activities were started and how many were completed by each pupil. Each pupil's average score for all completed home learning activities is also displayed. The color-coded, percentage complete, and average score columns make it quick and easy to see where intervention is required. The Downloads button enables you to download this data in PDF and Excel formats. The table also contains Pupil Record buttons. Clicking these will load the home learning pupil record for the appropriate pupil. The Home Learning Pupil Record page displays details for each home learning activity for the selected pupil. You can easily see which home learning activities have been completed, those partially completed, and those not started. As with the Home Learning Class Record page, the data can be downloaded and searches can be made. An individual home learning activity, for the selected pupil, can be deleted from here if required. Simply click the appropriate Delete button from the list, then, in the pop-up box, tick Confirm, and click Delete. You can also change the completed status of individual home learning activities, for the selected pupil, by ticking and unticking the checkboxes, and then clicking the Save button. This could be helpful for various reasons. For example, if a pupil did not click their Hand In button after completing all the questions, then the teacher can tick their completed status here, and click Save. The marks will then contribute to their overall score. Another example might be that a pupil clicked their Hand In button without answering all the questions. Teachers can then untick the checkbox and click Save. This will give the pupil access to this home learning activity again. Note that you may need to reschedule the activity from the home learning page if it's not currently available. Clicking the Details button from the list displays the pupil results page. The Home Learning Pupil Results page details all questions for the selected home learning activity for this pupil. Note that this page can also be accessed via the Home Learning Results page. From here, each question can be viewed, along with the pupil's answers, and correct answers. That concludes this tutorial on home learning records. If you have any more questions, then just contact us via any of these methods. This tutorial was brought to you by Professor Assessor Limited.